If you want to improve your skills in drawing human figure, drawing people for fashion illustration, comics, children's books, just working in a realistic style, working from memory or from imagination, unfortunately, is not going to be very helpful. You need to work from life. If you're short on models, you have the best model in the world, yourself. Just set your phone camera on a timer and strike a pose or two and use those photos to practice. In a few weeks, if you work regularly, you will definitely see an improvement in your artwork. And don't forget to check out the playlist on my channel, How to Draw and Paint People. You might find some helpful information there as well.